Are you lost, baby girl? Feeling unproductive and uninspired? Here's a simple trick that a lot has started doing since quarantine: collecting houseplants. Houseplants are good for your health, and not just for their visual beauty. Why? They essentially do the opposite of what we do when we breathe: release oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. This not only freshens up the air, but also eliminates harmful toxins. Extensive research by NASA has revealed that houseplants can remove up to 87% of air toxin in 24 hours. Studies have also proven that indoor plants improve concentration and productivity by up to 15%, reduce stress levels and boost your mood, making them perfect for not just your home but your workspace too. At work, place plants, especially those with broad leaves, on your desk. They will help regulate humidity and increase levels of positivity. Seeing greenery and nature help us feel more relaxed and calm, which in turn benefits your everyday mood. Indoor plants serve a practical and aesthetic purpose, and will enhance your life. So if you're feeling blue, be one with nature, be a house planter.
Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos alike.